Welcome to Strawberries. Today, we'll explore fascinating curiosities about nature and ecosystems. From the Amazon rainforest's biodiversity to the mysterious deep ocean, our planet is full of wonders. Let's dive right in. Fact 1. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen and is home to millions of plant and animal species. Fact 2. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure on Earth, teeming with marine life. Fact 3. The Sahara Desert has oases that provide vital water sources for plants and animals. Fact 4. The Arctic tundra is home to unique adaptations, like the Arctic fox's changing fur color. Fact 5. The deep ocean remains largely unexplored, harboring mysterious creatures like the giant squid. Fact 6. Corals have a symbiotic relationship with algae, benefiting each other in a vibrant partnership. Fact 7. Monarch butterflies undertake a remarkable migration between Canada and Mexico. Fact 8. Chameleons are masters of camouflage, changing color to blend into their surroundings. Fact 9. Ancient bristlecone pines are some of the oldest living organisms, some exceeding 5,000 years. Fact 10. Hummingbirds can sustainably hover thanks to their rapid wing beats. Conclusion. Nature and ecosystems on our planet are diverse and astonishing. From lush rainforests to arid deserts, each habitat plays a crucial role. Like and subscribe to Strawberries for more amazing content. Stay curious and cherish the wonders of nature.